Hello, welcome to What's New in Passware Kit's summer release video. Thanks to feedback from our customers, Passware Kit now supports full disk encryption for SanDisk PrivateAccess, which encrypts and protects files on SanDisk USB flash drives. On the Decrypt disk page, click the SanDisk PrivateAccess icon. Browse for the index.dat file and enable the Decrypt Files checkbox if needed. Click Next to customize attack settings and start the password recovery process. Hardware acceleration is supported for the latest SanDisk PrivateAccess versions. GPU performance is over 7,700 passwords per second on a single NVIDIA RTX 4070 Ti. In addition, the new PK recovers passwords for BitLocker hashes. Save the hash as a text file or use a hashcat file and browse for it in the Passware Kit to start the password recovery. Passware Kit version 3 also supports BitLocker volume decryption if the corresponding full volume encryption key is known. Specify the encrypted image and select the BitLocker VMK FVEK tab to enter the key. Click Decrypt to continue. PK extracts and displays password hints for Western Digital Digest files and File Vault 2 accounts in a password hint field. This information can be helpful for recovering passwords. The hint is now displayed for Apple Notes, iWork files, and APFS images. There's also a new Reset to Default Settings option in the Clear and Reset menu. It lets you clear file paths, preferences at Tools Options, and Agent Network settings in one click. Finally, we are excited to announce the pre-release version of the Passware Kit Ultimate Air-Gapped Edition. This edition provides all the benefits of passware solutions, including Passware Kit Mobile, in an environment without internet access. Details are available by request. Discover even more about the latest release in our blog post. We always welcome feedback and ideas on how to improve the Passware Kit. Thank you for staying with us.